So guys, this is not the Model Y performance that you're used to seeing on this channel. Actually, this is my wife's 2021 Model Y long range. Super nice. It's a great vehicle. Love it. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because we're going to pan around to mine. Ugh, a deer decided to jump right into my vehicle, which was at a stop sign on a major road here in my town. Literally jumped, head-butted me right there. Camera still works. Camera's housing still looks good. That's some hair lodged in there from the deer. Some hair all over, as you can see, but damage, as we can see, is really maintained to this quarter panel and to the mirror. It still does work. It goes in and out, folds and unfolds, but you can see it's just cracked. It's pretty fucked. So, little crease right there from its ass hitting. I don't know what that smudge is, but I would assume deer ass smudge. But this is going to get shipped off to a body shop certified by Tesla located in Johnston, Rhode Island. I can't think of their name off the top of my head. I will put it in the description below. And document this journey with them. They said it should take about a month to get everything going and to get it back to me. The wrap looks marvelous though, huh? Look at that. It's not even a scratch from it. Not even a scratch. Big fucking dent, no scratch. But didn't know. My wrap guy texted me after I put this on a Facebook group. He's in the group and texted me last night and said the wrap is covered under insurance. So they're gonna send it to him right after and it'll be wrapped. All done again. At least where it needs it. So that's it, guys. Like and subscribe. Follow this journey of getting a new upper driver's side quarter panel, and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Thanks, guys. Peace.